Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, comment, and subscribe. So today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I personally do my nails at home. Now, as y'all can see, I actually did my other hand already, and this video is basically me showing y'all how I do my nails on with my non-dominant hand. I did my nails prior the day before, and I didn't have time to do my other hand, so I thought, why not film the other hand?
Why not?
So, alright. So here I'm putting my nail primer on because this is what makes the nail pretty much get ready for what I'm about to do. So I actually got this dip powder from Sally's Beauty. Well, not I got it, but my sister got it, and I just took it from her. But anyways, that's not the point. So here I got my fluffy brushes. One is from e.l.f. and the other one is just any basic fluffy makeup brush. And here I am trying to do the classic beauty vlogger hand, but it clearly didn't work. But what I was trying to show y'all was the bonding gloss. This is what makes the dip powder like stick to your nail. Okay, reminding y'all, this is my first time ever doing dip powder, but I never watched the video before. But from what I just read off the directions, you want to coat the whole nail and don't leave any gaps in between, like no spaces on your nail when you're putting this on, because this is what the powder will cling onto. So you want to make sure you coat the whole nail evenly. Now, this nail was the most difficult for me for some reason. But when you're putting your finger into the dip powder, you want to make sure it's going in evenly, if that makes sense. Like, you want to put your whole nail down at once, is what I got from the directions, I'm guessing. And it worked for me. So you just want to make sure you do that. So here I am trying to make sure the whole nail, because it was really giving me a hard time. And you see how it all came out on one layer. And then you just want to just tap it lightly. Next, I'm just going to take my fluffy little brush and dust off the powder from like around the nail and back into the dip powder jar, just so I could like savor that powder and not get it everywhere. I use this around the edges just to, because I feel like it's too harsh to actually use it on the actual nail. Now I'm taking a really light fluffy brush to dust off the powder on the nail back into the jar. As y'all can tell, I was actually a little bit irritated with how it looked at first, but I had to remind myself it's only the first layer. Like, I gotta keep doing 2 more coats. So that's basically what you want to do. It's just what I did the first time, the bonding gloss, dip your nail in. You just want to do that 2 more times. So y'all, this is what my nails look like after applying the 3 coats. Now what I'm putting on here is called the Instant Activator. You want to put this on each and every nail. I'm not sure what it does, but I guess it activates for the dip powder to harden. I'm not sure. I don't know. Don't ask me. now that the nails are hard, I'm basically just taking this mini nail filer and just going around my edges and especially the cuticle area just to smooth everything out and make sure it looks like straight and not curvy or nothing, because that really is a dead giveaway whether or not you did your own nails. We bring the big boys out. Now I'm grabbing my nail drill and I'm basically just going around again the edges and the cuticle area and then over the whole entire nail to smooth everything out. You want to make sure the nail is very even looking. You don't want it looking loppy. You don't want it to be up on one side and down on another side looking like a whole hill is on the other side of your nail. I don't know, but I think it's also very important to invest in a nail file, especially if you want to do your own nails, because it will make your nails overall look good, especially if you make a lot of mistakes like me. Here I'm just checking to make sure my nails look good enough to my liking. Now, if you do not own a nail drill, that is perfectly fine, because you can use a good old-fashioned nail filer. I got this one right from Walmart and it worked actually pretty good, like really good. You just want to make sure that while you're shaping and filing your nail and making sure that's even, you want to keep twirling your nail and constantly keep checking, because you don't also want to over file. So for example, if let's say by the cuticle it's thick and then there's a dent and then it's like thick again, you want to just get on the side that's thick and just keep filing down to where the dent is, if that makes sense, to make sure it looks flat and it looks even, if that makes sense. I don't know, but y'all will get what I'm saying. And this is how it looks all filed out with the nail filer. I think I did 1 or 2 nails with the nail drill. But yeah, now I'm just going back in just to make sure, because I'm a really big perfectionist. Like if something is wrong, I will not stop until it's fixed. And here I am just now applying regular, normal, fast dry, shiny top coat to each and every single nail. And this is the final finished look, guys. Y'all, I actually think I did pretty good for my first time doing dip powder. I don't know, and if I can, y'all definitely can. Look at that shine. Like, look at that. Anyways, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.